In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Excel file on WordPress without plugins. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly integrate your Excel data into your WordPress site without the hassle of installing additional plugins, you're in the right place. This method is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to display your spreadsheets directly on your site for easy access and interaction by your visitors. First, let's make sure you have your Excel file ready to go. You'll need to ensure it's stored on a cloud service like OneDrive or Google Drive, so it's accessible online. Once you have your Excel file uploaded, the key step involves generating a shareable link. On Google Drive, simply open your Excel file, click on Share, and adjust the sharing settings. Ensure your link is set so that anyone with it can view the file. Copy this shareable link as we'll need it shortly. Next, you'll need to convert this link into an embeddable format. If you're using Google Drive, you can do this by opening your file and clicking on File, then Publish to the web. A window will pop up with various options. Choose Embed, and then Publish. This step generates an HTML code that you'll need to copy. It includes an iframe tag that we will use to embed your Excel file directly onto your WordPress site. Now, let's switch over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the post or page where you wish to embed your spreadsheet. You'll need to switch from the visual editor to the text editor, which allows you to directly input HTML code. This is typically found at the top right of the content box. Paste the iframe code you copied earlier directly into this editor. After pasting, you can adjust the width and height values in the code to better fit your page layout, tailoring the display to your design preferences. After you've embedded the HTML code with the iframes, it's a good practice to preview your page or post to ensure that the spreadsheet appears correctly and fits within your site's layout as desired. Take a moment to interact with the embedded Excel file, checking that it displays all necessary data and tables clearly. This preview will help you spot any formatting adjustments you might need to make before it goes live. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your embedded Excel file looks and functions, go ahead and publish your post or page. By embedding an Excel file this way, not only have you kept your WordPress site lean and free of additional plugins, but you've also provided a direct viewing option for your visitors, enhancing their experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're successful in embedding your Excel files without the need for plugins. Be sure to explore other features in your spreadsheet software and WordPress for more customization and interactivity options. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!